Hello, welcome to the new learning series of technical drawing. My name is Alfred. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy technical drawing lessons. The link is below there and my contacts are there as well. Last time, in our first published series, we looked at panel development and we made the plan, the complete elevation, the end and the development of one panel. And this time I want us to make the continuation of the panel development. As you can see, it's panel development continued. We have a guiding question. The question says, the figure below shows the front view of the octagonal base flower vessel of AF, that's across the flat 76 millimeters. Copy the figure and draw the complete front elevation. B, development of one panel assuming all panels are similar. And you can see we have the drawing here, the 76 across flats. We have 12, 50, 16, 60, 16, the diameter 38. We have the radius of that curve 24, and we have the radius of that other curve 50. Now, as I told you, the first thing we do is to copy the figure as you can see it. You copy the figure as given in the question. Now after that, of course, now we start. How can we draw the complete front elevation? The first thing we do here is to section. Of course, I told you that when you section, you obtain different polygonal shapes when you see from the top. So we are going to section this into number of divisions. Here you can choose your divisions you can make. Me, I have made 8 sections, and so I'm going to consider those ones. Now we'll consider one point. Let's consider one point for the explanation. I'm going to consider point 1. Now when you're trying to make the complete front elevation, what we do, we project the line through that division 1. As you can see, it comes and it reaches to the curved surface, the other curved surface of the figure. Then project it downwards. Now when you project it downwards, it will meet the diagonal line through the center of the base. Now what you do, you draw that line parallel to the surface of the base, and then you get that point. So when it reaches here, you project it back, and where it meets the line projected horizontally, it will give you the point. As you can see, I have the point there in blue. Now to complete the whole thing, you project through points 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as you follow the same steps, and then you obtain the points along that. And after that, of course, you join that with a smooth curve and you obtain that. That's one side of the complete elevation. Now you need to obtain the other side of the curve, and I will not say project now this side and then you bring it. You'll be wasting a lot of time. So what we do, we transfer the points, and so you take the distance from descent line to the points on the opposite side you have plotted, and then you transfer them to the right hand side. Take the distance from the center to the left hand side to the right hand side, left hand side to the right hand side, as you mark those points, and you get them in that format. Now having obtained those points, you also join a curve through, and as you can see, now you have the curve through the points you obtained, and that's how you draw the complete front elevation. But of course we need to outline, so our outlining will also be very important in this concept here. So you see that the complete figure, when you finish the front elevation, you have this kind of a drawing, the curve on the right hand side and the curve on the left hand side. Let us go to part B. Part B is saying we draw the development of one panel assuming all panels are similar. We have our drawing, complete front elevation is here, and our plan is here. So the development of one panel, because they are all the same, we are going to put just one panel to represent the rest. What do? We first draw the vertical line. We draw the vertical line of n length, and then we put our horizontal base. Now, having put your horizontal base, we are going to take the heights. We need to mark off these heights here. Mark off these heights here. Now we come to the front elevation. We are going to pick the distances along the curved surface here. Along the curved surface here. And then we get these heights. So if I take the height h0 from the base to that point, I come and mark that height for h0. Then I take the compass radius of h1 from here up to there. I come and I mark. Then I take the next height will be for 2. I mark. For 3, I mark. 4, I mark until I finish up to the last point here. So when you finish those points, you'll have the horizontal lines, those blue lines you see, through. Like that. Now, someone may ask, why is it that this time you're taking the heights along the curved surface on the front, and the other time you took the heights along the curved surface on the end view? Here is because when you look at the plan, the line, the horizontal line you're seeing there, this magenta line through the center, is not through any corner of the drawing. If this corner here was resting at this point, I would first project the end view such that I make a view giving the flat edge on the other side. But now, since here the line through the center is already going through the flat edge, not through the corner, then the view here is exact curve of the true length of the curved surface. So we come and we use it here as you see it. So having marked that, now we are going to take the distances on the front elevation for the curve you drew to complete the elevation. So we take these distances across, we take them from the center like that, and then we bring them here. For example, I'll take the distance L0, I'll come and mark it here. So when you mark here, you can also mark it the other side because they are the same. So you mark L0, put here, mark, put, you mark. Then you take L1, you put on your line for 1, you mark this side, you mark that side. Then you go for L2, you take that distance, mark, mark. L3, take the distance from the center line to that, you mark until you finish. And when you finish, you obtain a curve like that. And that is the development of one panel. Now, of course, we need to outline. So when you outline your figure for the development, you obtain that. So the whole thing gives you a kind of the front elevation completed like that. Your plan will be like that. Your development will be like that. Thank you for learning. You can, please don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is there and my contacts are there as well. Thank you. Wait for the next series.